exit na ako kay Mami Eva. Mami Eva, exit muna ako sa iyo ha, Mami Pat. Hey, Kapsat Wilma! Sir JR, may galo shout out. Mag-ano lang ako guys, kasi hindi ko alam kung mamaya ay ako na naman, ako'y busy. Ay, tapos na pala si Mami Eva. Mag-message pa sana ako dito na exit na ako, tapos na pala siya. Tapos na ba? Dali, check ko nga. Tapos na ba siya? Iniwan ko lang kasi yung cellphone ko, kararating ko lang. Ay, oo, tapos na. Magme-message pa sana ako na exit na ako. Ay, kararating ko lang. Ay, hindi ko alam na natapos pala siya. Tapos na pala siya. Tambay Temay. Salamat, Kapsat Wilma. Ay, tapos na pala. Andito ako sa kanyang sasabihin ko sana na exit muna ako at i-support ko si Sos. Tapos na pala. Anyway. Andun din ako kay Sir Jun kanina, pero ako muna. Itambay ko muna si Sus para at least naman may ano. Thank you guys. Salamat dyan. Kararating ko lang kaya hindi ko alam kung may time ako mamaya. Kaya kahit ano lang, 1 oras, 2 oras. Para at least naman maka-update tayo. Hindi bumaba yung aking iniipon. Thank you everyone, Sir JR, Kapsat Wilma. Thank you for 24. Really? 24 eyes. Wow, thank you guys. Thank you. Mega shout out to everyone. Wow, ang dami nila ah. Uy, yeah. Vida, hello, hi. Yes, there. Hello. Thank you guys. Mega shout out Vida. Jerbit. Yes, Jerbit. Hello. Salamat guys. Yeah, it's just a quick live, I hope. Update. Yeah, you know. It's been busy today, guys. It's busy day. It's just like my Monday because it's my first day of work today. It's Tuesday here and it's kind of busy. But anyway, just have a quick live, guys. Thank you, everyone. 23 in the high, 23 eyes. Look on the look on the eyes. I'll see you. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. I appreciate so much. RBL 567. Hallelujah. Yes, hallelujah. Ooh. See me, you see me. I don't see you, but you see me. You saw me. Thank you. Thank you, 11 eyes. Thank you, guys. Wow, that's awesome. Beautiful. Thank you, guys, for your support. Thank you for coming in.